Today's recipe, grilled teriyaki salmon. Okay, so I'm trying to recall if I ever did a fish recipe on this channel, and I don't think I have. So what a way to start. You will love my teriyaki grilled salmon. Let's get started. Okay, so my side dish for this meal today is some low carb rice mixed with vegetables, and I want to show you the rice. So this is the rice that I use for this recipe, and I'm going to do a separate video on how I prepare this rice. So be on the lookout for that, and let's get back to the salmon. For this recipe, you will need crushed ginger and garlic, teriyaki marinade, golden sweetener, low carb sweetener, soy sauce, vinegar, and sesame oil. So this step is quite simple. All I'm doing is combining all of the ingredients that I just listed, and then I'm going to give it a stir. You want to mix it so that the sweetener that you're using completely dissolves in the liquid. So that's what I'm doing now. And now you see me adding the sesame oil at the end, and then I'm going to give that a stir as well. Okay, I'm just squeezing a little lemon over the fish pieces, and this is prior to seasoning the fish. Okay, so I'm heating the grill, and I'm just going to brush on some oil on the grill. And if you're interested in this grill, the link will be in the description box of this video. I absolutely love this grill. Okay, so now I'm just brushing on the teriyaki sauce onto the fish pieces, and then I'm going to place these pieces onto my hot grill. Okay, so here you see me brushing on the sauce on the skin of the fish, and we're going to let this cook on the grill. Once it's done, I'm going to serve it up with the rice, and I'll show you what my plate looks like. Alright, so we are just about done, and this is what my plate looks like. A perfectly healthy, delicious, keto-friendly, low-carb meal. So if you would like this recipe, please visit my website. It's lowcarb360.com, and as always, I thank you all for watching.